Have you ever wondered how a fan makes wind? Let's find out together. A fan has several parts that work together to create that cool breeze. At the heart of a fan is a motor. When you turn on the fan, electricity powers the motor, making it spin really fast. Connected to the motor are blades. These blades are designed in a special way, like wings. When the motor spins the blades, they cut through the air and push it forward. This pushing of air creates the wind we feel. But how does the motor get the blades spinning? Inside the motor, there are tiny magnets and coils of wire. When electricity flows through the wires, it creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field interacts with the magnets, making the motor spin. The faster the motor spins, the faster the blades move, and the stronger the wind. You can even change the speed of the fan by using the buttons or dials. This adjusts the amount of electricity going to the motor, making it spin faster or slower. So, the next time you feel the cool breeze from a fan, remember it's all thanks to the motor, blades, and a bit of electricity working together to keep you cool and comfortable. Isn't it amazing how a fan can turn still air into a refreshing wind?